So what you see here is that these two pieces, this is why we went forward, were the same, but they just mirror each other. All right, move on. So the next bit, we're going to start working with servos. I believe something
and it's a 9. Okay, so
here, this piece.
Yeah, exactly. It's 9. 3 and 3 in a row.
Let's see what the next
now
piece.
We have to put in
4 of
4
those.
mediums.
1. Stick one at a time, and then I'll give you a bunch of those.
Okay, so the long is supposed to be going outwards.
Awesome. Nice. Alrighty, what else we got here?
Then
2 of those funny looking pieces. Are they
yeah.
Are they
these?
these?
Yes, they are.
Okay.
Let's see how they get inserted.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
cool.
okay.
Yeah. I did not expect that to be the way, but cool. You learn something new every day.
Especially on how to build
This is very different from the other robot that I put together, the one that actually you can turn it into an elephant, you can turn it into a humanoid robot. So this is very different from that set, that kit. All right, take your time, and we'll see you in the next one.